Welcome to week 41 of 52 of Stock Roulette, where I invest around $50 a week randomly into one stock. I just load this week's top 10 pick into pickrandom.com and I give her a spin. And then we talk about why I made my list for that week. The point of this game is to see if we can beat the average 8 to 10% annual return. And most of the companies that I look at are in the future thinking and businesses within the innovation space and in many of these spaces. As we finished September, it was, as always, not a very fun month to look at in your long-term portfolios. Things are slowly, hopefully starting to heat up in October. Let's hope that inflation cools down just a little bit. Let's hope that the jobs pick up just a little bit, even though the report on Friday is not very good. And of course, that our relationship improves with China. The debt ceiling was also extended to December for now. So we're slowly clearing a path to continue on an upward trend, hopefully. And most biotech companies are hitting 52-week lows. I'm still waiting for the small cap bust to pick up. If you guys want to see the last 40 weeks of quick DD videos, I'll put a link above for those. All right, let's go to make a quick purchase for this week. NVTA. This week's pick is Invitae Corporation, ticker NVTA. Invitae is a genetics testing and health information sharing network company. Ever since CRISPR concept was created, we have realized that your genes can give you lots of clues into the risks of developing diseases, and it turns out that there are steps that you can take to at least help with the process of finding some of these conditions. So eating right, exercising, and getting routine checkups are great for the average person. But what if you're not an average person? Your genes can tell you if there's something more that you should be doing to improve your health or stay healthy. And 1 in 6 healthy adults are at risk of a serious health condition due to their genetics and probably don't even know. So with Invitae, you basically request a test right on their website. You just provide a sample of your saliva and send it back to their labs. Then you get your results and share them with your doctor. And if you like, you can actually talk to a genetics counselor at no extra cost. They offer 3 different testing products. A cancer screen test that looks at 61 different genes associated with the common cancers. A cardio screen looking at 75 different genes associated with risks of heart disease, and a genetic health screen test that looks at 147 genes, including cancer, cardio screens, as well as a few actionable inherited conditions. Also, Invitae is acquiring Citizen, which is a patient medical platform for data sharing that allows patients to collect and store their medical records all on a digital platform, which then turns all your documents into usable and relevant data that can be shared with whomever you choose. There's a lot of challenges with the current system, which is why Invitae is trying to fix that gap. So the first step would be to collect all the medical documents. Then you digitize them all on AI and machine learning platform, which then allows you to take it to any doctor or anywhere that you go. You never know which issue can be tied to what, maybe another condition or something. So this platform will allow all the doctors to see all the information going on with your health record. So trust is the main principle and the foundation of their strategy, and allows all the patients to securely and safely own and control all of their health data. The system opens them up to a variety of partnerships and ecosystem players as well. So how are they doing? Well, their revenue exploded from just over 60 million when COVID hit to almost double and closer to 120 million now. They have $1.4 billion of cash as of June 30th with a quarterly burn rate of 256 million. So even though their revenue has grown, their profits haven't. They have missed on the last 3 quarters, which is maybe why the stock has fell so much. And it is down from a high of 57 just this past December and January to currently in the mid-20s, sitting only $2 away from a 52-week low. It would be a great time to load up on this opportunity if you believe in some of this technology, because in the long term, it's a no-brainer. Now, genetic testing and editing is a fairly new principle. If you're not familiar with it, I would recommend you watch a couple of YouTube videos on it. It's quite intriguing and not been around very long. This is a great concept to fix a lot of health conditions going forward, but we're still in the early stages. All right, let's go make a quick purchase. Okay, let's hop in here and make a quick purchase. Invitae currently trading for $26.42. Okay, we're just going to buy 2 shares at $52.70. There you go, we're all set. Okay guys, please remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your research before you buy any stocks. And if you don't yet trade, Robinhood and Webull are great trading options. I recommend Webull because you can trade before the markets are open and after the market closes. And if you throw $100 in there with the link I have below, you'll both get a couple of free stocks. And like in all my videos, I wear my custom designer dress shirts. That is my primary business. I make high-end American-made men's designer dress shirts. If you guys are curious, I'll put a link below for those as well. And I hope you guys found some value in this video. Do me a favor and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Consider subscribing to this channel and hitting that notification bell. I've got a new video coming every single Monday for all 52 weeks this year. Thanks guys.